Hello everyone. Now we are going to look at electric field due to a charged circular ring in this video. So as you can see in the Cartesian coordinate system, I have taken a circular ring is here, right? And we can say there is a charge distribution over the ring, or we can say this is the charged ring. Okay, and now we are considering this is the differential length I have taken here, so which contain the differential charge dq. I can say it contain the differential charge dq, and this is the point P where we need to find the electric field intensity, right? And also we can say this circular ring is placed on the xy plane and whose radius is r, and whose center is nothing but the origin of the Cartesian coordinate system, and this r is the distance of this point P where the electric field intensity has to be found out from the differential length dr. Okay, this is the radius of the sphere. Okay, so we can say if this differential element differential length is carry the charge dq, so we can say the dq will be given as, so dq we can write will be given as rho l into dl, right? Rho l into dl. So this entire ring will carries the line charge rho l into dl, we can say. And also because of this differential charge, we can say the differential electric field intensity equation will be given as rho l dl upon, this is given the 4 pi epsilon naught, this is given the r square ar, right? And r is, as I told you, r is nothing but the distance of this point P from this differential length dl. And also one more thing, if we'll consider this for the cylindrical coordinate system, okay, so this distance vector, this r we can define here as I have written here, this is given as the, so this component will become the z az, and this become the r minus of er because of the reverse direction. So here I can say this dl, so I can write this dl will be equal to r d phi, because which is moving in the phi direction. Okay, and also I can say this r square will be given as the r square plus z square. Okay, so we can say this distance vector r I can define in a vector form. So this is given as the minus r ar plus this is given the z az. Okay, and further if I need to find the magnitude of this vector r, so this is given as the under root of r square plus z square. And also due to this I can find the unit vector. So unit vector is nothing but the vector r divided by of its mod. So I can write this is given as the minus rar plus zaz divided by under root of r square plus z square, right? So I can put in the differential intensity expression here. So this become the rho l dl by, this is given the 4 pi epsilon naught, so r square will become what? So this become the r square plus z square under root whole square, and the unit vector ar, so this is given as the minus r ar plus this is given the z az under root r square plus z square, I can say, right? And also because as we know this dl will be defined as the, we can say the dl is defined as what? The r d phi, right? So we can say here the differential intensity expression will be given as rho l, this become the r d phi divided by, this is given the 4 pi epsilon naught, this is given the r square z square 3 by 2, I can say here, and this become the minus r ar plus z az, right? So we'll get this expression. Now see in the next point is that the radial component of electric field at point P at point P, this radial component will be symmetrically placed in the plane parallel to the xy plane. So this symmetrical to the xy plane, this is the xy plane is here, so we'll get its positive and negative component both, and that will be going to cancel each other. So we'll not get the any component in the radial direction, so we'll not get the any component in the radial direction. So this AR will be eliminated and we'll get only in the AZ, right? So further I'll write here, so this is given that the DE will be equal to rho L, this is given the R d phi divided by, this is given the 4 pi epsilon naught R square plus Z square, right? And this is given the 3 by 2, and this AR component will be eliminated, so we'll get only the Z and AZ component is here. Okay, now so find the total electric field intensity. So we have to integrate this whole term with respect to the phi, and as we know the phi will varies from 0 to 2 pi. So we'll integrate this term from the 0 to 2 pi. So now we'll take the integration from 0 to 2 pi is here. Okay, so further we'll solve this one. So we'll get this rho L R, this will be divided by 4 pi epsilon naught, and this is given the R square plus Z square, and this is given the 3 by 2. Okay, and this I can write the Z AZ, so this will become the phi, and which is limit will be 0 to 2 pi. Okay, now so further we'll solve this one. So we'll get the final expression electric field intensity will be given as the rho L R, so will be given as the Z. Okay, so this is given the only Z will be there, so RZ. Okay, and this become how much? This become the 4 pi epsilon naught, and this become the R square plus Z square, this become the 3 by 2. Here also I can take this AZ, so this become what? This become the 2 pi, and the final we will solve this one. So this 2 to cancel this 4, and this pi will be cancelled out, so we can say the final expression will be here the rho L R, which is given as Z divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. So this is this 4 pi will be cancelled out, so we'll only get 2, not this one. So we'll write rho L R Z AZ divided by, so this become what? 2 epsilon naught, and this become the R square plus Z square, this is the 3 by 2, and this is the AZ. So this is the final expression what we require. So this is the our final expression what we required for the electric field intensity due to the charged circular ring, we can say here. So we can say also the Z is what? Z is the perpendicular distance of point P from the ring along the axis of the ring. Okay, so we can say this is the electric field intensity at the point P whose coordinates are 0 0 Z due to the circular ring of radius R which is placed on the XY plane. Okay, so in the further videos I will take some of the problem, and so this expression will be very clear to you that how you will use in the numericals. Thank you.